Hello everyone, my name is Mukta Kankonkar. I am a student of first year BMS. The name of my topic is Concept of Gauti. Let us start with the first slide.
Gauti means organic. Gauti in Goa refers to the traditional agricultural practices and techniques followed by the local farming community. These practices often involve sustainable farming methods such as organic farming and the use of traditional tools and techniques which are passed down through generation. Farmers often practice organic farming, relying on traditional knowledge and techniques to cultivate their crops sustainably. Thus, this helps in preserving natural ecosystem and promote biodiversity. In Goa, mostly it is the cultivations of various crops such as rice, coconut, areca nut, cashew, spices like black pepper and nutmeg. Farming practices in Goa are spread across various areas of the state. This is a picture of local vegetable vendors sitting in their village known as Subhat, which is located in Tiswadi Taluka. There are three seasons of cultivations in Goa. The crop production of Goa during this season is shown in the following pictures. The farmers practicing Gauti farming also emphasizes the use of traditional tools such as khore, fauda, datoli, khodli. Other things are also included in Gauti farming. To include a few, we can start with crop rotation. Then, traditional irrigation is also practiced. The next is community bonding.
दवाणगी पळय जाता पळय आतां ही तेंच तेका सारें तेकाच मशीन घालप तेजेंच सारें तेका कांय घालप ना ते शेण घातलें तेका अशें लायक तेका नेचरल ऑर्गेनीक म्हणटा तेका ऑर्गेनीक येतात माती कितें तरी काडटा ते स्प्रे बी मारपाक येता आनी दुसरें जें पळय आसा तेका ते फर्टिलायझर येता ते हांव करिना फक्त हें ऑर्गेनीक नेचरल आनीकाकय ते भायलेच येता शेवटी ते पळोवंक जाल्यार ते एकच ते म्हणजे ते पळय आसा फर्टिलायझर आतां हें स्प्रे काडला वयल्यान पयलीं येताले ते आमी जमनीक मारता शेवटी कितें जातालें जमीन पिड्ड्यार जाताली आतां जेन्ना हें घालता न्ही म्हजें गांडूळ खाता हांवें ते वामृत हें हांव करता पंचगव्य हांव करता जावं म्हणून वता आनी रिसायक्लींग करतना ते कित्याकच माल पडना आनी ते फर्टिलायझर पळय आसा न्हू आनी खुबशीं मनशां सिकनेस जाता ते आमकां कळना आतां खूब जाण ते थायमेड म्हणून खाण मारता इतले हे मुयो ह्यो त्यो मारतान मरता आनी ते इतलें हें तें सारकें तें झाड ओडून घेता एका जर मारलें न्हू हें ओडून घेता ते भाताक येता जेन्ना ते तांदूळ आमी घालता ते आमकां रोग जाता आनी आमकां कितें दिसता मागीर आमी कांय खायना पयलीं तें तरी सुद्दां म्हाका डायबेटीक जाता प्रेशर जाता पूण म्हणटा आरे हांवें कांयच खावना तेलाचें खावना कांय खावना ते जे पळय खाता ते आमकां कोणाक खबर आसा ते मारले उपरांत पिकता मात चड
In this picture, we can see a lot of people are having food collectively. This can give us idea about huge population and its food supply. Indian population is around 142 crores, among which only 2 crore people are involved in farming. Now, we can judge the load on farmers. To avoid further load on farming, every one of us should grow at least simple vegetables such as coriander, spinach, brinjal, etc. This concept of kitchen garden should be implemented by most people with usage of organic farming.